Inspiration video of thought. Light me up. I just thought of this. Okay, check this out. It didn't happen on my own. It didn't happen on my own. I didn't get the idea because I'm my own. See this? I spill this big bowl over, right? And I get a river that runs. But if I'm drinking out of a little teacup, right? What runs down? What runs down? Is it a waterfall? Like water? Like, you know, when you see water and you're drinking it, it comes down just in a little funnel, or you get the whole river. That's what I was thinking. So right now I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I have to do this video right now. And this one's going to go 13 and 14, and this is going to go 20 and 07, and this one's going to be 23 and 04, and 20 and 07, and 06 and 21, and 19, sorry, and 08, and 19 and 08, and 13 and 14, and this one over here is 20, 23, 20, 06, 19, 19. Now, what do you think I'm doing? Can you fill in the rest of these numbers? Everything has to equal to 27, okay? Everything has to equal to 27, okay? 08, 08. These are the days of the week, okay? These are the initials. Initially, take this into fact. This is Monday, but backwards it says no for French. This is Tuesday, okay? But in French backwards, it says tu veux, IE, su, SEU, 26, S and Z, 2 and 6, 8, S and H, Spirit Heaven. This one is the 19th. This one is 20, 19 and 20 from the sky heavens. Look, in Gematria, they both have a 7 value. The reverse of all the initials of the days of the week, and you must continue because we must have periods and blocks, right? In order to get this one, between this one, I need this one. I need automatically 3 weeks and then the next week. So we have 3 weeks to make the initial 21 days of the cube. Add 1 through 6, like 1 through 6 days, equals to 21. That is the cube, 7, 7, 7. With 7 in the middle of 7, what you have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 7, right? Over here. This is Sunday. Well, it's supposed to be Saturday. You're supposed to start on a Sunday, but I may have made a mistake. Or should I start on a Monday? Because Saturday's the last day of the week. Sunday's the day of God. Maybe we should be starting on a Monday. But I would be starting on a Monday, starting on a Tuesday, starting on a Wednesday, starting on a Thursday, right? But why don't we just go, why not start on a Wednesday? Number 4. That is the middle of the week. So would that starting of the week be number 1, starting on a Wednesday? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Tuesday would be day 7. Start on a Wednesday, finish on a Tuesday. So the in-between day between here and there is from here to 2, 3, 4. Yeah, actually, the in-between day is over here. That's your number you want. That's the number. You see, I didn't do it on my own. I had to have a little help. Okay, so the initial day to start anything is here. This would be your 1, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in between here, this would be your 2 and your 3, 5, and this would be your 1 and your 4, equaling to 42 and 12. Okay, 3 and 6, creation. This one over here, okay, would be your 7th day of the week. Okay, you would have 4 and 1, right? 19 and 13 is 42. Okay, 19. Okay, and 1, the area 1, 42. And this would be area 1 because it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no 7. 7 ends it, right? But they start at 1 again. So if I start at 1 here and 4, I go 20 and becomes 39. This becomes 7 and 8, 15. This is the sky of Mars, okay? And the total is 54 under the IT system of the sun. This one is the 9 lives of the cat. Right over here, 42 equals 54 under the sun. Abba, cat. A-B-B-A, right? This says father, right? But inside of father, okay, it says 6 man, 1 angel, T-H-E-R. Time, heaven, electric. Time, heaven, electric. Okay, time, heaven, electric. That's who we are. We come here from somewhere else. We support these bodies and all the things that the body was made to think. That is the Father. This over here in her, okay, is also part of time, heaven, T-H and E. F-A-R, take this away. Take E and R away. Sorry, just take R away. T-H-E, right? Just like T-H-C, time, heaven, creation. That's why they don't want us to smoke, because otherwise we're going to put those strands together. By the way, let's all thank Mary Jane 42 and the 9 lives of the cat. That's how we live. If we want to differentiate the vibrations, what you actually have to do, and I know I'm changing the story, but if you have 2 wires, right, and one wire is vibrating off the other one, okay, and then when it comes here, there's another wire, and it vibrates into this one. And this second wire, okay, This main wire is you. This is the one they alter on the other side. So there's 2 on one side, 1 on the other, because your vibration is now altered into your soul. Okay? An indirect passage from the same reception of spirit. Okay? And at the same time, when you smoke the weed, you get the THC, it fills in the vibration like a gum. And all these wirings get filtered out. So the system, okay, of man, which was already made by a 10% factor, the cleansing system, the period of time it takes over the 7 years of the dog, okay, B&E, 10 and 7, JC God, is the same amount of time it takes for your body to refurbish itself. That's right, my friends. We refurbish ourselves, and not because I'm a doctor, because the numbers have told me this, because I was doing the days of the week. This is not a science math anybody can do. I am privileged, and I just want to thank the giver of the vibration for all of this. So inside the middle day of the week over here, we have it Saturday. SAT, Spirit Heaven's Angel Transfer into the Electronic Residency. Resident Angel. We are the entity. We are the Delta entity. We are, see this? S and I, think again. 51 from Mars. Resident Angel. Spirit. Trident. Delta entity. Birth 27 through the red sun, which is 50 for the sun, and Venus 81, 9 times 9, the square world, the flat world, where we come out like this. We're just a whole bunch of dots on different levels. Doesn't matter where we are. When we compress and we come to one, we end up doing this, right? Every time you compress something, you will square things off, won't you? You're compressing. If you're compressing from all around, doesn't that make things square? Unless you have a bag that you're already in that's shaped. Anyway, so let's go back to these over here. What we got over here is 39, 42, 42. 1 and 4, and 1 and 4. This one says 39, 42. The total is 81. The second side says 8, and 7 is 15. 15 and 15. Whoop, I don't know where that... Oh, the 14 was the other one. And 15 and 15 is 30. Well, that's got to be a wrong number. Can't add up to that. Let's do that again. 19 and 23, 19 and 20, 39. Okay, 39. And then we have 19 and 23, 42 and 15. Well, this says 57. How's that possible? This says 54. Something's wrong. Give me a second. Okay, I got it. I put it on hold, spoke to a friend, saw she was okay. I can continue the video. Okay, so let me do this over here. I made a mistake. Shoot. Okay, I added 8 and 7. It wasn't. It was 8 and 4 is 12. 23 and 19. The letters are W, WD, right? WD, S, and H. WD, S, and H. DW, W, and D says wed. Okay, so wed. Wed is the birth, right? Wednesday, let's get married. Wednesday over here. Wed, to be wed. Wednesday. Okay, we can spell it another way, the way they spell it. I say Wednesday. It doesn't matter how you say it. It almost looks like UPS, right? Delivery service came on Wednesday by the stork. So in order for God to build Earth, right, he had to, even if he finished on Saturday building it, right, he's got to get everything out to the market. So when he finishes building on Saturday, he takes the day off, he starts on Sunday again. So how long does it take for man? The man of one day? Well, man of one day takes from yesterday to today. So all the storks come and they deliver man and they leave on Monday. Okay, but sometimes it takes 3 days to get to California from the other side of the world of the North Pole. So some people, they loaded up on Monday, okay, because they had birth of the Son of Man. Man had to be born, and then he had to be delivered, so that would be Sunday. And Monday, all the delivery service came in, and they delivered man all the way up until Wednesday. And the man came in on Wednesday. He had lost his head, and he had to get his new head, and then he fried the egg in his head on Friday, and then he connected the satellite on Saturday, and then the day of sun became man, and that was his name, the resident angel, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday again. That's why we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 days with T, TWT, 2, 5, 2. But these are sixes. This would be 26, 23, 26. ZWZ, the Czar. This would be 858, 747. This is the cycle of the moon. So let's do this again. 42, 39, 81 Venus. 15, 12, 27. Minus it, 54 the sun. 108 becomes 2 suns. 108 plus 1 and 2 creation. 109, 110, 111. 111 when the towers went down, because when the towers went down, the antennas come with it. And then goes the spirit. No more building. When you take away this, it's 54. It's 108. When you minus this, okay, It becomes 54. When you add it, it's 108, becomes 168. 168 hours in a week to 54. Now this becomes 27, and this becomes 84, splitting them both in half. This becomes Pluto. 84, birth of man, 48. Now let's chew this one in half. 48 into the 7 worlds is 1 and 3, altered current, or on the altar. Now we're going to take this number over here, 54 and 54, instead of adding them up to be 108, we're going to do this. 4 and 4 equals to 8. 5 and 5 equals to 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 18, right? But because there's a 0, created as the gateway, the separation. So these are the numbers, the separation in the days of the week, which would be Wednesday, Saturday, and Tuesday. We start again on Wednesday, the delta angle, Wednesday. The 4th day of the week, right? Wednesday is the 4th day of the week. It's the 4th day of the week, right? But it's actually the 3rd day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 2 days have been completed before we reach this day. It becomes 2, 3, 4. Starting the week or part of the weekend. These numbers will all add up to 27. These are the reverse of the alphabet. So instead of saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it would now start with an N, okay, for Num Day. Then instead of being Tuesday, it would be Goose Day. Instead of being Wednesday, okay, it would be Dens Day. Instead of being Thursday, it would be Gehurs. This sounds like German to me. Gehurs Day, Gers Day. Don't pronounce the H. Gers Day, Churs Day. How did the G and H come together in German? Instead of it being Friday, it would be Uri Day. Uri Day. How about Uranus Day? Instead of it being Saturday, take that 8 and go Hat Day. Instead of it being Sunday, okay, it would be Hun Day. Instead of being Monday again, it would be Nums Day, the name of man. Hun, like in 100. 100 red day, the red day. 1010 man, the man of the stars. So this is the preliminary of where the center of the week is, because I have to continue this center to find out and understand where the center belongs and how many days before we find an actual center, because once we find out the actual center of the first 7s, remember, the moon cycle is 28, so I need to find center of 28. 28, 28, 28 is 84 Pluto. 888 is 24, 222 is 6. 24 equals 66. Now, is it 166 or 266? Is it 606 or 616? Okay, 61 would call it 60 or 61. Is it with a 2 over here, or is it a 1 over here? Or is it creation, 1, 2, 3? The only 3 numbers, 0 or 1. Because if it's 1 or 3, okay, once the 1 is inside there, it's already creation. That would be 6, 1. The other one would be 6, 0. So now we have 84 over here. So now we have to understand there are 13 moons in a year. So we would go 6 moons to 1 moon to 6 moons. Now I want to know the in-between moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Where is the middle of this? 1, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 4. Then we have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we would have to find the 3 days. The 10th day, the 7th day, and the 4th day. This one would be 414, connecting it. DNA. 414. Communication in the B worlds, 232. 545, creating 777. 363, creation in the sun, and it spells love. Raphael, in the lower world creation. Thank you for watching.